Dentistry with prosthodontics, restoring function and aesthetics through prosthetics. Prosthodontics is a distinct field of dentistry that is focused on the replacement and restoration of teeth that are damaged or lost. This involves using prosthetics including bridges, dentures as well as dental implants in order to improve the function as well as aesthetics of the patient's smile. Prosthodontists have been trained to the highest level that are skilled in constructing personalized prosthetics designed to look as natural teeth. Restoring function. One of the major purposes of prosthodontics are to improve the function of the patient's teeth. When someone is missing a tooth or a number of teeth, this can cause significant effects on the capacity of their mouth and speak with ease. Dental prosthetics such as dentures and dental implants were developed to restore tooth loss and restore the oral function that is natural to the mouth. Dentures are prosthetic devices that can be removed which are able to substitute a number of missing teeth or even the complete dental arch. They're made to be custom fitted to the mouth of a patient, and they look similar to natural teeth. Dentures are a great way to improve a patient's capacity to properly chew and speak in addition to improving their appearance overall. Implants are another typical prosthetic device utilized in prosthodontics. Implants are tiny titanium posts which are surgically placed in the jawbone to replace lost teeth. A crown or prosthetic tooth can be placed on the implant, providing a natural, permanent replacement for teeth that are missing. Dental implants do not just restore the functions of the teeth, they can also aid in preserving the jawbone structure, which will prevent any dental problems to occur in the near future. Restoring aesthetics. Apart from helping restore the function of teeth, prosthodontics is also focused on improving the look of one's smile. Teeth that are damaged or missing be a major influence on an individual's self-confidence and appearance. Dental prosthetic devices like dentures and bridges are crafted to resemble the natural tooth, which allows people to smile confidently. Dentures can be made from different materials like porcelain and acrylic, which mimic the look and feel that natural teeth. They are able to be made in order to complement the form, size, and shade of a patient's teeth, resulting in a flawless, natural-looking smile. Dental bridges are another popular prosthetic device utilized to enhance the look of a patient's smile. Bridges serve to replace some or all missing teeth by attaching artificial ones to healthy teeth or to dental implants. Bridges are designed to blend seamlessly with the patient's existing teeth, creating a pleasing and beautiful smile. Choosing a prosthodontist. If you're in the need of dental prosthetics, it is vital that you choose a professional that has the required abilities and expertise to deliver top-quality dental care. Prosthodontists are trained extensively and receive studies to be specialized in replacing and restoring missing teeth. They're able in creating custom-made prosthetics which will be tailored to the unique demands of each patient. If you are choosing a prosthodontist, it is crucial to take into account their credentials, experience, and their standing. Find a professional with a board-certified certification and a demonstrated track record of providing effective treatments. It's also important to arrange a meeting with the dentist to discuss your goals for treatment as well as preferences. Conclusion. Prosthodontics play a vital role in restoring beauty and function of a smile. Dentures, prosthetics, bridges, dentures, and dental implants are made to repair damaged or missing teeth. This allows patients to chew and speak and smile confidently. If you're in the need of prosthetic dentistry, it is vital that you choose a professional with the expertise and experience you require. By using prosthodontics, you will be able to improve the appearance of your smile and increase the overall quality of your life.